Austin. What's your favorite thing about Christmas?
Because there's like toys for everybody in the world.
What does Christmas mean to you?
It's about Jesus.
It's about Jesus. That's the real meaning of Christmas?
Yeah,
What did Jesus do on this day?
it's his birthday.
What do you want for Christmas?
A toy race car and a violin with like a book with like tunes. I want to learn how to play a violin.
What do you miss about home right now?
I think my baby brother named Crosley
Yeah?
right now.
Yeah, you like playing with him?
Yeah.
You guys like watching cartoons and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing about Crosley?
He's like always rough to me.
So you guys roughhouse?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's fun.
Yeah.
Do you karate chop him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does he karate chop you?
Yeah, he likes to do this. Yeah.
Yeah. What's his nickname? Do
Crozilla.
you like calling him Crozilla?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rawr,
What's your
rawr.
favorite thing about your brother?
I don't like my brother.
You don't like your brother?
Cause
He pulls your hair?
yeah.
Do you love your brother though?
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't like him, but you love him. That's like the perfect scenario of brothers. If you could tell Papa something right now, what would you want to tell Papa?
Merry Christmas.
What about Timon? What would you tell Mon?
Here's a brand new watch.
What else would you tell Mon?
Merry Christmas too.
Yeah. Do you love Mon?
Yeah.
Is there anything else you want to say? Do you want to say something to your dad or to Stevie and Crosley?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
This is to Santa, right?
We can, if you want to say something to Santa, you can say something to Santa. I thought you were going to say something to Stevie and Andrew, but
Santa,
okay.
can you get Crosley like a bike with tricycle wheels? And Santa, I'm reporting to you right now.
You done?
Yeah,
All right.
it's over.
It's over? Okay. You can.
See you later, Santa.